Yeah, so yesterday I was taking this for a drive. I didn't drove it for, not any distance, over 5 miles in the last year, in wintertime and stuff. Got about maybe 15 miles down the road, and that there decided it wanted to go out. So I had to limp it home. I got some of that footage, and now I got it all fixed, and we're going to see if it works. Let me see if where is that? I know I had it. Anyway, oh yeah, here it is. This is, I don't normally use that kind of filter, but there. The pump went out because it got like that. Well, I done cleaned the tank out. Should have put a new one in. Oh, I think here comes a deer. I'm going to chase one. Where are the other up there? Yeah, that's a deer on the left side. Let's see if we can catch him. There he goes, that white tail. Don't come back across, you son of a bitch. There he is, isn't it? There he is, Rick. There he goes. Two of them. Another dumbass. Oh, that's a buck. He's got a little bit of pointers on him. I better take her easy. I guess there are a lot of them out this morning. Here comes the pavement now. Oh, pavement. About 10 houses here. There's town. Now we're back to gravel. Oh yeah, they got a school here up here too. They use it too. They probably got about 5 kids. I don't know, maybe 10 total. This guy's got cows in his yard. Yeah, here comes the school. There it is, right there. I'll show you. Oh, someone's doggy. What are you doing, doggy? Don't come in front of the truck. What are you doing, doggy? Don't do that now. Want to run your ass over, you shithead. Now he's chasing me now. Oh, now he stopped. He's standing in the middle of the road. He must be stunned. Oh, now he's smartened up and went to the side of the road. Yeah, so I made it home. Still runs good.